Alright, today I'm gonna break down. I actually took two trades today, two winning trades. Well, actually three. I took one pre-market, which stopped me out. Like I was in a short position after a 5 minute inverse. Yeah, so after this 5 minute inverse right here, I took the short, but ended up going break even. I was targeting a lot of points, but basically market just shot up right to my break even. I was up like 500 bucks, but then market shot up to my break even and then went down to my TP. Oh well, that's what I get for trading pre-market and then having the 630 candle. But then after that break even, I took two trades, which made me $2,523 on the day, which is a lot. That's about 5R for me, so I'm up 5R to start the week. So the way I trade conditions, ICT concepts, and my entries are inverse fair value gaps. If you don't know what that is, I would suggest looking it up on YouTube. But yeah, let's break down my trades now. So coming into the day, right? I like I said, I have a neutral bias coming into every single day. So if I wanted to see a short opportunity, I wanted to see this high get taken and then a V shape back down. So if market would have opened all the way up here, I probably would have been looking for shorts, some type of 1 minute inverse of the downside. Instead, what we did get was market open right here. We take this low sitting inside this 15-minute fair value gap, and then we immediately V-shape. We V-shape right here, almost instantaneously, like it's so fast. So my entry is right where the 1 minute inverse is. So this was a really quick trade. So my entry was right here. Once we close above this 1 minute right here. So boom. And as soon as we get that, it's like that tiny pullback, and then I enter right here. Then as you can see, my TP is instant. I made $1,000 on that 1 minute. Um, it's pretty simple. Market manipulated down. We swept this 15-minute low right here. Ended up sitting inside that 15-minute fair value gap. And then we V-shape right back up. 1 minute inverse to the upside, targeting this high right here that I had above. So yeah, that was my first trade, which made me about $1,000. And usually after I make my money, I'm done for the day, win or lose, right? One trade a day is kind of like my thing. But unless I go break even. So basically, as soon as we hit this high, we have an immediate rejection. And then this is like, we have like rejection at this level for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, like we could not get past this right here. So after this move, we basically just dump, right? We take out all this liquidity and then we take out Asia lows. So I thought there was a really good long opportunity if we got this 5 minute inverse and it was very V-shaped. On the 1 minute, we were inversing right here, but since we had such a big move down, I wanted to wait for the 5 minute. Like I could have entered off a 1 minute and then have a way better RR, but after that dump, I did want to see a 5 minute IFVG, which we do end up getting. So after we inverse this 1 minute, I really do want to enter, but then I want to see how we react to this 5 minute, which we do end up disrespecting this 5 minute right here, which I immediately enter and almost immediately again get TP. Especially during New York session, if you trade IVGs, I mean, and your drawn liquidity is right, we should be shooting up quite like instantly. So yeah, this trade right here made me $1,500. So we inverse the 1 minute. I'm already thinking about entering, but I am more patient. I see the 5 minute gets inverse and then immediately enter. I could have held longer, but I just got my piece. So with those two trades is how I made $2,500. So yeah. Also, so what I've been doing is trading my funded accounts during Asia session, as you can see right here. They're almost all eligible for payouts, and then I have my live account. So yeah, that's how I've been trading personally. So yeah, I trade New York with my live account, and then I usually trade Asia with my funded accounts.